Hi, everybody. It's Sophia Mona Lisa again from the Golden Ray Center and the Roseville Mystery School. This is just a quick announcement as a clarification point for the information that went out with my video yesterday regarding the exchange for the Chiron return readings. It's in the description box below the video. And so this announcement is about restoring right energy, and it's the perfect time under the full moon in Libra energies to really draw a line in the sand about stepping fully into my own consciousness around restoring right energy. And so what does that mean? Well, what it means is that when I was doing readings prior to the shutdown that started in 2019, I had a certain price point for my readings as an energetic exchange that felt very comfortable and very fair is the word I would say, in terms of the exchange of what I was offering to people and the energy and the focus and the creativity and passion that I was putting into the exchange. When the shutdown happened, I became very aware that there were business owners that were losing their businesses. There were people who were losing their jobs. And so the financial picture had changed suddenly and drastically for a lot of people. And so I made a conscious choice to reduce the price point of my offerings as a way to help people that are genuinely engaged in their spiritual path and their ascension process to be able to stay engaged with me with the work that I offer. And we've moved away from that. And I feel like now that we have enough space between where we are in the current reality and where we were then, particularly marked by this specific paradigm shift that I've spoken to recently around Pluto moving into Aquarius, also preceded by Saturnia moving into Pisces. These are big paradigm shifts that I was guided by the goddess Epona, whom you see here, and the horses that I do work with. Millie, the horse that I sponsor and work with here locally at the Heartland Haven Ranch, and also a new herd of horses that's in not California, but in Canada, that I'm working with through an apprenticeship program that is a herd of wildies known as the Singing Horse Herd. And the wisdom that I'm receiving from them is that to be in right energy, you have to close the circle, you have to close the loop. And humans understand this in terms of the give and take. There has to be an energetic exchange. So if the horses are sharing wisdom, then the exchange is, okay, what are we giving back? And are we giving back like an apple or alfalfa, or, what is it that is closing the circle as an energetic exchange? And so with these Libra full moons, it really illuminated for me, in terms of the frequencies of the Libra full moon, the balance, restoring the energy, restoring the feeling of fairness and harmony in terms of the energetic exchange with the work that I offer to people, that it's time now to return from the shutdown price points to the pre-shutdown price points. So this is why you may be aware that my website has been updated in terms of those price points for any type of light code readings, DNA activation readings, soul mission readings, solar return readings, Chiron readings. And I just wanted to speak to that in all transparency and with clarity so that everybody who's engaged with my work will understand the shift that has occurred and are not, so to speak, blindsided by that shift, and to understand why I felt that the timing was right, why I felt guided and inspired by the horses that I work with, that the timing, along with this Libra full moon, was the right time to say, okay, I'm stepping into honoring that space for me. I know when I do readings with individuals, it may feel like on your side that it's an hour, maybe an hour and a half. But the truth of the matter is that when I do a reading, I'm really investing at least 2.5 to 3 hours of my time, focus, creativity, passion, energy, into providing that 1 hour or 1.5 hour experience for you. So I feel very confident that everybody who has become aware of that shift, or who will become aware of it now that I've made this formal announcement, will honor my need and desire to claim that space for myself. And so just want to thank you for watching this brief announcement. And if anybody has any questions about this announcement, feel free to contact me. You can always contact me here at my email address, sophiamonalisa79@gmail.com. And let me say that I am flexible. I have always provided for, especially established clients, the ability to even set payment installments if the exchange might be challenging for them at a certain point in their life. You know, if we need to divide it up over 2 or 3 months. For established clients, I've always been willing to work with them, and that remains true even today. So again, thank you once again. If you're watching this, hopefully you are subscribed to my channel, The Rosewheel Mystery School, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much. And I got to find the controls here to bring this to a close. Thank you.